Quality trail time with Nunu, innit?
My truck on the back there.
Yep, your truck's in back.
Yours in the boot.
My truck's in the boot. You excited?
Yeah.
Me too.
My truck very exciting. Tim, I want to go climb up the hill as you always. Tim, I can do it, Dad.
You got lights in yours now, haven't you?
Yeah.
So it lights up, so you'll be able to come out and play in the dark.
Yeah, we're going very dark. If I want to run, if I want to go down there, or this way, if you know, if you don't know which way you want to go.
Locked in the car.
Daddy, tell the game, look, yeah.
Woo! You meant to watch where you're going. Woo! How do you do it?
Do it in. How can he do that, Dad?
Magic.
Daddy, could that's how he do it? All the way mud in there.
Mud.
Yeah. Now. Is he doing halfway?
Try it here. Try it in front of this bit here. So go backwards. Oh, nearly.
Is he
Right.
doing back?
Tell you what. Just try that straight there, going up there.
Can't do it, Dad. I need some help with you.
You need some help with me.
Yeah. Can't do it.
Drive it. Oh, it's not working.
Dad, do it up.
I haven't got a tow rope either, so we can't pull you up. We might have to. That's one way of doing it. I'll go this way.
It did, Dad.
It did it.
Go down.
You didn't cheat, did you not? Nope.
Dad, we're down that way. Dad, can I go down there? A little bit.
If you want.
Dad, can I can get through there?
Yeah, drive down it with your truck.
I think I can do it, Dad. See if I can go down here. Come on, let's go together.
Whee! Uh-oh.
I'll go safe. Well, what's this, Dad? Do you do this? I will be Superman. What are you doing today, Dad? What are you doing today? They're following you, Dad. Go to where I don't want.
Driving over these.
See, go to me, Dad. I see. Come on, do it. See? You do it, Dad. Dad, let me go first.
Yeah. Oh, mind your truck our way, because. Right.
See, I can do it. Daddy, I do it. See, do it, Dad. I need help. It needs some help, Dad. See? I need help on this big one.
Are you winning? Yay, well done. Go on then. Well done.
Now try yours. You have to try to give me Dad. You'll lose my one.
Yep, I lose.
Oh! Run away. Go over that one. That way up. Ah! In my one. No!
Help! Help!
I'm gonna help you guys.
Oh, yay! Well done. How did you get up there?
Are you alright?
Yeah, just turn your wheels a minute.
Oh, that one. To try to get that out.
That something in your transfer box that's gone. It's alright because I put all metal gears into that one, so I've got some spare gears out of my other Wraith box. Looks like we're going to have to strip it down and give it a repair. Then you can have four wheels again.
It's working again!
Yeah, it works. It's only driving on its rear wheels though, which means it's going to be a bit struggly, you see. You see, it's struggling. You want to drive mine?
Yeah.
But you be careful with mine, don't go breaking mine now.
Oh, that wheel.
Rear wheel drive out here is not good. That one?
Yeah?
Yeah?
Wow, guys. Oh,
So it's looking like one of the gears have gone in the box somewhere, right within the transfer box, because we only have front wheel drive, rear wheel drive, sorry, but I can't hear any clicking or anything whatsoever coming from the front like diff, so I'm presuming it's somewhere in there. We've only just got this like repaired and back up road as well, haven't we? She ended up with binding. We put some wheels on and it ended up just binding somehow. It stripped the drive shafts, so she's got new ones of them in. And then the Wraith, what did I have to do? Oh yeah, I twisted my drive shafts as well. My drive shafts have finally played up after nearly 3 years on the stock drive shafts, but it is a heavy truck, so put some fresh ones of them in there this morning. But she's enjoying it. I'm not. I am really.